Brand-Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up Multipurpose Exfoliating Dermaplaning Tool. Touch-ups are quick and easy with this versatile beauty tool that shapes eyebrows, removes fine hairs, and even smoothens skin. High-quality blades are uniquely designed with fine micro guards to help protect skin. Care and cleaning, rinse clean. Includes an extra attachment for precise eyebrow shaping. Keep out of reach of children. Smooth skin by gently exfoliating. Care soften area with lotion or shaving cream before shaving. Power source, manual. Slim, portable size so you are ready for a touch-up anytime, anywhere.